Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about common roles in cloud computing. Cloud computing is a rapidly growing field and there are a number of different career paths available in cloud computing. Here are some of the most common roles in cloud computing. Cloud architect. Cloud architects are responsible for designing, planning, and implementing cloud computing solutions. They work with businesses to understand their needs and they design and implement the cloud solution that meets those needs. Cloud architects also need to have a strong understanding of cloud technologies and how to use them to solve business problems. Cloud engineer. Cloud engineers are responsible for building, managing, and maintaining cloud infrastructure. They work with cloud architects to implement cloud solutions and then manage and maintain those solutions on a daily basis. Cloud engineers also need to have a strong understanding of cloud technologies and how to use them to build and maintain reliable and secure infrastructure. Cloud developer. Cloud developers are responsible for securing and deploying applications to the cloud. They work with the cloud architects and cloud engineers to develop applications that are designed to run in the cloud. The cloud developer also need to have a strong understanding of cloud technologies and how to use them to develop efficient and scalable cloud applications. Cloud security engineer. Cloud security engineer are responsible for security, cloud infrastructure, and applications. They work with the cloud architects, cloud engineers, and cloud developers to implement and manage security controls for cloud infrastructure and applications. Cloud security engineers also need to have a strong understanding of cloud security threats and how to mitigate those threats. Cloud support engineer. Cloud support engineer are responsible for supporting to cloud users. They work with cloud users to troubleshoot problems and resolve issues. Cloud support engineers also need to have a strong understanding of cloud technologies and how to use them to solve common cloud problems. Other common roles in cloud computing include cloud data engineer. Cloud data engineers are responsible for managing and analyzing big data in the cloud. They work with cloud architectures, cloud engineers, and cloud developers to design and implement and manage cloud data solution. Cloud DevOps engineer. Cloud DevOps engineer are responsible for automating the cloud development, deployment, and management of the cloud application. They work with the cloud architecture, cloud engineer, and cloud developer of implement DevOps practices in the cloud. Cloud sales engineer. Cloud sales engineer are responsible for selling cloud products and services. They work they work with business to understand their needs and sell them cloud solution. Cloud project manager. Cloud project manager are responsible for managing cloud computing projects. That's all for today. Hope you've understand the topic. Thank you so much everyone and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.